Ang pugi mo yan, uy!
Maybe si...
Hello guys! Yan ang aking beshi na yung maps na yan na ang nakin.
Okay?
Sige. Lord, guys, wag niyong hayaan kunin ang nuggets ko. Kasi wala akong maluluto. Para sa mga bata. Before ba yan sa hapon? Alam, magkabuka sila. Okay, let's start. Mag-aano ako, magkakaraoke ako. Anong gagawin mo?
Hindi rin ako makasayaw.
Sayaw ka na lang dyan. I-accept mo ha. Go.
Ay...
Hala, go na ba? Let's go, guys!
Let's go!
Let's go, guys! Ipanalo niyo ako. Let's go, tap.
Suntok tayo dyan.
Let's go. Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. Oh no! You are just a part of a dream. Nothing more, so it seemed. I now couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget a picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it a time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Ayun, sumayaw na talaga. Every little smile, that special smile. Ako ang kakanta, siya ang sasayaw. In a little while, give it a time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Thank you so much, guys. Hello, nangurog ko. Then I couldn't love you more, so much stronger than before. Why does it seem like a dream? So much more it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With just one smile you take my breath away. So hold me close and say you'll stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it a time, just a little more time, so we'll be together. Little smile, that special smile, the twinkle in your eyes in a little while. Give it a time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. Thank you so much, everyone! May gas na ba ang flying jet? Thank you so much. Lord! Para sa mga bata. Rar. Let's go, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Let's go. My ads. Let's go. Up. Nasangit ang flying jets. Let's go. May isa pa akong kanta sa inyo. Hello? didn't expect this. This is for the pedia patients. All this time, I know someday you'll need to find something that you left behind, something I can't give you all these days. Tears pala. When I come back, love disappears, but heart's so good for to be. Home is that forever. Thank you so much, everyone! Hala, di ko in-expect nyo. Grabe kayo mag-support. Thank you. The sun still sets. Ayan guys, haloy. Uy, wait lang, nangurog ko. Thank you. We won. Beshi. Bleh. Charis lang. Thank you. Alright. Thank you everyone. Hello, okay guys. Hello, hindi ko in-expect to. Uy, yung puso ko. May himatay ako. Guys, thank you so much everyone. So, pagkatapos bang pwede ko na bang rar. Uy, okay na. Magiging masaya talaga ang mga bata. Promise. Thank you so much. Happy ang birthday. Uy, birthday ng mga bata. Thank you guys. Rodsky, thank you. Ezar Latte, Sir Echo. Wait mo, natapos victory lap mo. Sige po. Hello guys, wait lang, ang heart ko. With all this time, say goodbye. Wala na akong boses. I'll make another try. Thank you. Super. Hindi ko uy, naiiyak ako. Kailangan tissue. I'll be crying too. On this day. Uy, naiiyak niyo po. Wait lang. Thank you guys. Thank you po. Thank you. Uy, grabe. Hindi ko in-expect to. Wait lang. Rar. Oh, hindi na wala ang Ezar Latte, Sir Echo, Dong John, Ma'am Jackie, Boss J, isa ang mga top 10 ko, Pasaway, Sir J, Dean, Mandaragat, Sir Renz, mga ko dyan, mga vampire ko, team, family dot. Thank you sa mga sa akin. Uy, akong heart. Thank you. Beshi, mag-e-end na ako. Bye-bye. Magre-relive ako ha. Guys, thank you guys. Mamaya na ako magti-thank you sa inyo.
Si Close the Deal.
Wait. Guys, attend kayo.